In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to create forms, use advanced features, or start automating tasks with macros, having the Developer tab readily accessible opens up a whole new level of functionality in Word. Let's dive into the simple steps that will get you started. First, what you'll want to do is open your Microsoft Word program. This is the foundational step, as accessing and modifying the settings we need requires having the program open and active. So, if you haven't done so already, find your Microsoft Word file icon and give it a double click to open it up. Once you have Word open, look towards the top of your screen. You'll notice a series of tabs running horizontally across, but the one we're interested in right now is the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new view known as the Backstage view. It's your central hub for saving, opening, and customizing your document settings. On this new page, you'll notice a series of options lined up on the left-hand side. Here, you want to scroll down and select the option labeled Options. Think of this as the control center for Word. Clicking Options will open up a window full of different settings you can tweak, customize, and control to tailor Word to your preferences. Now within this Word options window, you'll see another set of choices listed on the left. The one we're looking for is Customize Ribbon. Take a moment to click on that. This brings up a checklist of various tabs and tools you can add or remove from your main toolbar to suit your needs best. Look carefully through the list of main tabs. You'll notice an option called Developer. Make sure there's a check mark next to it. If it's not already checked, simply click the small box next to Developer to select it. If there's already a check mark, great, you're already halfway there. What this step does is ensure that the Developer tab will now be visible and clickable in your main toolbar, those series of tabs you saw earlier when we first opened Word. Once you've selected Developer, go ahead and click the OK button at the bottom of the window to exit and save your changes. You should now see the Developer tab along with the others at the top of your screen every time you use Word. With this tab now enabled, you can explore a wealth of advanced features, from form controls to macro programming and more. And that's it. Just by following these simple steps, you've unlocked new potential in your Word documents. Whether you need to perform advanced tasks or are simply curious to explore new features, the Developer tab is now at your fingertips. Happy exploring.